Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with MongoDB Atlas using API keys. Complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with MongoDB Atlas using API keys, begin by logging into your MongoDB Atlas account. Navigate to the project where you want to manage your API keys. On the left sidebar, click on Project Access. In the Project Access section, find the API Keys tab and click on it. To create a new API key, select the Create API Key button. Fill in the necessary details such as the API key name and permissions. Make sure to set the appropriate permissions based on your needs. Click Create to finalize the creation of the API key. Once created, make sure to copy the API key securely. Now, direct your attention to your application environment. In your application's code, store the API key safely, avoiding hardcoding it directly into your codebase. Next, you need the public and private keys for your MongoDB Atlas project. To retrieve these, go back to the MongoDB Atlas dashboard. Access the Database Access section and look for your database user. Take note of the username and password for that user. Now, you'll want to configure your API client. Use an appropriate library for your programming language to handle API requests. For example, if you're using Node.js, you can utilize the Axios library for making HTTP requests. Prepare your API request, including the endpoint for the action you wish to perform. Include the API key in the request headers for authentication. Make the API call, and ensure to handle any possible errors. If successful, the API should respond with the requested data or confirmation of the action performed. Test your API integration thoroughly to confirm its reliability. Keep your API keys secure and regenerate them if you suspect any compromise. Following these steps will set you up with a successful authentication process using API keys in MongoDB Atlas. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.